So guys, let's try to unbox this Huawei P40 Pro. I'm usually a one-take guy, and this is my millionth take on trying to unbox the thing. So yeah, even my low quality standards haven't approved to the previous attempts. So one thing at first, if you are watching this video before May 1st of 2020, there is a promotion going on, at least in my country, maybe in yours as well. So you could go to Amazon Germany if you want to pay the shipping, where you get the P40 Pro plus the Watch GT2e plus the FreeBuds 3 for the same price as just the P40 Pro. It's a P40 Pro, not the P40 Pro Plus, so this is a bit misleading here. But yeah, it's the P40 Pro. The FreeBuds, I have to make a review. I haven't done it yet, but I'm not so happy with them, especially due to the... I don't like the whole concept. So if you're a fan of the concept, the sound quality is good. I need more than 12 hours of battery life is not enough for me, and they have like 2 to 3 hours. And then you can charge them for 35 minutes and you have them once more. But yeah, enough. It's not about them. I would always recommend a case. Not particularly this one. It's just one problem with early adopting a product is you don't get accessories when on the release date. And the other thing is, one of the great features of the Huawei P40 Pro is of course that you are free from all the spying from Google. Yeah, it comes without the Google Play Store basically. So for me as a creator, this is wonderful because I can try to shove the Play Store in there, make it work, make it run, show it to you guys, get super rich reality, and make exciting videos. And I haven't done videos on my channel in quite a while, or not quite in the frequency I used to, and something has to change. Something that has to change in my view. So I already removed the dreadful sticker with the IMEI. So you don't see my IMEI, and I still have the demo mode running. I think I installed it, and it didn't install it, but I somehow started in a demo mode with very strange language. But yeah, so here we can see the display in action. It's actually a 90 Hertz. This is something quite noticeable on the camera with the Mate 20 Pro, which I'm using at the moment, which I'm super happy with. So if I wouldn't have that excuse to be able to do a product review of kinds, I would still stick with the Mate. And yeah, I need to sell phones anyway. So this is this frost silver color, silver frost. There's a black one and a rose gold. See, I think they call it brush gold. Available as well. Yeah, it goes in the case anyway. Yeah, basically no Play Store. Go on your own discretion. Usually, if you are an early adopter of any modern technical product, it's not the best idea, let's say, because all the bugs which are in there, you won't know about. There won't be a fix for you for the next couple of months. So it's usually wiser to wait half a year or a year if you can, and then adopt the product or get it used. Or yeah, I'm really happy with the Mate 20 Pro. I'm really liking Huawei so far. Here we have the install guide, which is localized. Here's very important, the install and deinstall tool for the SIM card. So this can go either as a dual SIM, or you can extend your 256 gigabytes of memory with a Huawei Nano memory card. I think they're available till 256 gigabyte as well. 256 gigabyte for a smartphone will serve quite good for most people. Also, this bloody thing has 8 gigabytes of RAM. My notebook here has 8 gigabytes of RAM, which I never came around to upgrade. So yeah, 8-core processor, but really processors on a cell phone. The Mate 20 Pro is pretty fast, and this is 2 years old. So I think this is more like, yeah, interesting. With the zoom lens here, we have this, not quite sure if it catches, but it really looks far away. I think they have probably done the same technique like in the P30 Pro, but I'm not quite sure if it's 5 or 4 zoom. Didn't write it, so well, let's see. It's not. I think it's a 4 power, but they didn't show. One thing I'm disliking a little bit is the height and the size, especially the height. I think is something which gets mediated by the case. If you're using a case, if not, it's probably something to be worried about. It's actually a shame to put in a case because it's really handy, but yeah, this is like 2.5 millimeters high, I would say. It's really high, it's really big too, so yeah, scratch danger. There are probably protection screens available already. I didn't check beforehand because I was too lazy. Yeah, got the small or the bigger, but not quite punch hole, but smaller than on the other devices, and cannot say if, but I got quite used to the big bezel on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, but it took quite a while. I'm guessing this is a little bit less problematic, and you got very good screen real estate. Does anybody know which language I I choose here by error? I'm not quite sure. Tetapan is settings. Yeah, I'll probably be able to revert that to a language I can understand. But yeah, let's see. Lukalski, yeah, it's probably Polish, right? Yeah, not sure. Something Slavic. Yeah, so it's really a shame. It's really nice in the hand. Really, really a beaut as well. But yeah, it's going in the case. There's no. If you haven't installed the Spider app on your phone yet, you should put the emphasis on yet. Everybody I know has broken at least one phone, and most people much more than one phone so already. So if it hasn't happened to you, it's just a question of when it will happen. So I also really like those supercharged by Huawei on the Mate 20 Pro. They are fantastic. Yeah, I came home once with a drained battery, put it on the battery, and was going to the shower, came out of the shower, and I'm showering quite fast, and it was, I think, 40% charged. So this was something really, really impressive. So it feels metallic on the back. It's probably not, because the thing has wireless charging, so there have to be some coils, and for the coils to be working, it's usually not very good if you have metal there. It really feels and looks metally, so it's really nice. Really, I like shiny things. Yeah. Let's see. Is there anything else to talk? Yeah. We don't have the App Store yet. We have the App Gallery from Huawei. I have no idea how good that will work, if at all. I have it on the Mate 20 Pro, and I'm going to try to install Google. But I'm really looking forward to see how long I can survive without Google. I think what I probably need is YouTube, of course, and Google search. Everything else I can probably live. Google Maps probably. Yeah, those three would be my major importance. But maybe I try a week without them and see how life progresses without having my precious things around. So follow me around in this journey of trying to survive without Google for about a week or something. Yeah, I'll probably do a setup video as well, just to see if I can set it up. Guys, it has been a blast and really fun time. I hope you enjoyed it as well, as much as I did. And really, sometimes I really tried a couple of times going into this video, and it was horrible. And I think now it's quite nice. And I really like shiny things and putting shiny things in front of the camera. And probably now I'm getting sued because I gave somebody a stroke or something. yeah, could you survive without Google? Let me know. Is this an interesting device for you? All the cameras, all the shine going on. And yeah, but be wise if you decide to buy something. Probably wait a little bit. Prices go down all the time. The old devices are much better now. Like the Mate 20 Pro I'm using, it's really perfectly well functioning device still, and you will probably get it for less than half of what this costs, or used for even less. So thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.